Hey, it's Kevin from the small town, rural town in Alberta where there is absolutely no traffic jams and we don't even have any traffic lights. And it's a happy place to be. Anyway, especially in Alberta because the sun always shines here. Well, most of the time it shines. Anyways, it's shining today, bright and shiny. Anyways, I just thought I'd like to jump on here and spend a few minutes talking to you about our products, LiveGood's products. But here's a question that behooves me. Why is it acceptable for so many people in the network marketing industry to feel that it is appropriate to ask friends and relatives and colleagues and strangers to pay so much for a product that really is overpriced, a product that you can, I'm talking about health and supplements right now, the product that you can get somewhere online, Amazon, much cheaper. But people go out every day and they try to get people to buy these overpriced products. Why does it seem so acceptable? You know, the only reason why the products that people and other network marketing companies are so overpriced is so a few people could get a small part of the commission. But yeah, how can you still do? How can you offer something that you know in your heart that they could get it somewhere less expensive, but you want to get that dollar or you want to pursue that magic dream? And be honest, I did that before too. I was involved in a network marketing company that was health and wellness, and the products were overpriced, and usually we get people that order a product maybe once, maybe twice, then that was it. They couldn't afford it because it was so expensive. At that time, I didn't know any different. That was the way it was done. But you know what? It doesn't need to stay that way. Matter of fact, there's a new there's a new there's some new kids on the block that said no, that's enough. It's enough. No more overpriced products are being offered with our company, Live Good. That's why we could feel so not filled with stress and asking someone offering a product that is overpriced to someone. Because I tell you, if you have a conscience, you feel stressed at asking people to buy something that you know is very, very expensive, and you know they could get somewhere else less expensive. But Live Good, there's no more of that stress. There's no stress on asking people to, hey, consider buying our products, our our health and wellness products. Why? Well, first of all, they're natural and they're organic. There we go, natural and organic. Yeah, that's good. Okay, Kev, thank you. Other products are natural and organic. Yep, that's good. But the other products that are natural and organic, if you can actually find them, they are overpriced. Okay, so Live Good has natural and organic products, but what about the price factor? Well, the price factor is you get the product pretty well at cost. Because the average supplement or vitamin that's being sold in the network marketing industry is the cost the company manufacturers of the company about maybe $8 to $12, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less, and then they just jack the price up to pay the commissions up to the people, and only about but really in that industry, the price charges those overpriced products. I mean, 1% are making any real big money at it. 2 to 3% are making just a little bit, but the other 96% they leave the industry. They try to make it go, but they really can't because it's so darn expensive. With Live Good, Our products are not sold. We don't make a commission on selling the products, so they are sold at pretty well cost. Vitamin, like take a multivitamin, whether it's a men's multivitamin or a woman's multivitamin, with Live Good, natural, organic, manufactured in the United States. The head office is in Florida. Delivered within usually a week to 10 days. Those multivitamins are $9.95 each, compared to $70 or $80 somewhere else. So why would you want to go somewhere else when you can get products from Live Good so less expensive without sacrificing quality? That's what I want. I want the world to know. I want the world to know. I want the world to know that you can get healthy products, supplements, natural, organic products at a price that you can actually afford. So much so that you can actually reorder and reorder and reorder and reorder and reorder, because there's no commissions paid out on them. How can that be? Well, there's a one-time fee of $49.95 to get going. $40 to become a member, and $9.95 to be your first month subscription. Then after that, it's $9.95 a month. That's all. Oh, that's all it is. $9.95 a month after that. And yet it gives you the opportunity to buy products, the health products that you need, that you want, at a price that you can afford. Matter of fact, you can afford it. You can buy, instead of one, you can buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for less than $100 with our products. Wow, it's a lot of products for $100 versus most companies, it's one product for $100. That's why I'm so proud to be an associate with Live Good. We have natural, organic products at affordable prices that anyone can afford the prices. And it's all run by a $9.95 subscription fee. $9.95 a month subscription fee. It's the same as Costco, same as Amazon. You're buying your subscription, and it gives you the opportunity to buy when you want to buy, and you don't have to buy all the time. And it's the same with Live Good. You buy a product when you want to buy it. We'll buy one this month. You don't want to buy one next month, it's okay. There's no one phoning you or texting you or emailing saying, hey, put your order in, put your order in, put your order in. Only because they want the commission on it. Not because they want you to get the order in for yourself, but they want you to get the commission on it. They'll argue that point. They'll argue and they say, no, it's not true. Anyways, folks, that's why I'm so happy and so proud to be part of Live Good. We're offering quality products, natural, organic products at a price that everyone can afford. No longer need to be ashamed to ask people to purchase the products because of the price. Not because of the product, but because of the price. That's what Live Good. If someone sent you this video asking for their tour to the tour website, if you just happen to buy in this video, take a look at my tour where it says that sign up for your free tour. Listen to the 5-minute video by our CEO explaining why Live Good came into effect. But after that, the most important part is to sign up. Yeah, sign up. No credit card required, but sign up to go in, to take a look at the websites you get. It's all for $9.95. But you'll be able to look at the prices of the products. And we always have our product compared to two other products price-wise. And once you see that, you'll be convinced that Live Good is the way to go when it comes to buying healthy products, healthy, nutritional products. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a wonderful day. This is Kevin from the small town in Alberta where there's no traffic jams and no traffic lights. Have a wonderful day.